Hello and welcome traders, welcome to Precious Pips. I hope all of you are doing good and profitable. So today is Thursday, September 25th and we have unemployment claims. Tomorrow, Friday, September 26th, we have core PC price index. So today, tomorrow, very important trading day. Okay traders, so make sure you don't miss. So traders, this was our yesterday's analysis. Okay, so I gave you this resistance and this hourly level. I told you this level is very important. So when the price reached near our resistance, so immediately we got rejected. Okay, so after this rejection from the same order block, price continued. Okay traders, and also I gave you all the liquidity levels update in our Telegram channel. So make sure you join our Telegram channel so you don't miss live updates. Okay, so for each and every session I provide you all the updates. So traders, please support and like my video so you will get all the analysis early in the Asian session. Okay traders, and in the 4-hour time frames, as you can see over here, so I told you this was our liquidity level, and after liquidation, as you can see, the bullish buying pressure from same liquidity level. Okay, so after hunting this level, and traders, as you can see, we do not have any level over here. Okay, so we don't have any buy level over here. So this was a liquidity hunt and immediately price shoot upside. Okay traders, so now let's continue our analysis for today. So today and tomorrow, very important trading day. So today we have the unemployment claims and tomorrow we have the PC price index. Okay, so these high impact news events will be a deciding factor whether the gold wants to create new all-time highs or it wants to continue its sell momentum. Okay traders, so let's move on to 1-hour time frame. And also in this video I have provided you detailed analysis, okay, including all the liquidity levels. So make sure you watch this full video and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Okay traders, so where do we have the liquidity levels? So sell side we have these two liquidity levels, major liquidity levels. Okay, so if we break past this trend line, so we can definitely continue upside direction, liquidating all these levels and creating new all-time highs. Okay traders, so for the buy side we have liquidity over here. So why this is a liquidity? Because this was the yesterday move, so people buying from here, so they definitely have their stop losses here. And also this is a previous day low and this is the previous day high, so previous day low is aligned here. Okay, so definitely people have the stop losses below. So any point of time the price can come to liquidate these stop losses. Okay traders, so now how are we going to trade today? I'll explain you all the scenarios. Okay, so you need to draw this trend line. So how I drew this trend line, so on the 30 minutes time frame, as you can see, you can switch to line chart and you can connect like this. Okay, you can copy exactly. Okay traders, so this is done. So in the 1-hour time frame, okay, now I'll explain you the probability scenarios. Okay, so now first probability is price can create a sell side momentum, start a sell side momentum from here, because price needs to liquidate this. If price liquidate this, price will also touch our trend line. Okay, price will touch our trend line and then it can continue its upside direction. So I told you yesterday also, until and unless we don't break this trend line, so we cannot initiate any sell moves. Okay, so still we are super bullish. So only these two seller waves are available, rest everything is buying. Okay, rest all buyers are available. So there are more buyers than sellers. Okay, so these two waves are only sellers. Okay traders, so now scenario 1, I told you traders, price can initiate sell move from here, liquidating our liquidity and touching our trend line, and then it can continue. Okay, also liquidating the previous day low. So scenario 1. Scenario 2, the price can directly break past the trend line and directly liquidating these levels above and creating new all-time highs. Okay traders, so this is the scenario 2. Or well, scenario 3, like the price can consolidate over here. Okay, not liquidating these levels, maybe it liquidates this level, liquidating little bit and then again shoot upside. Okay, so price is super bullish. So unemployment claims is there, So more 4 hours to go. Okay, so within 4 hours unemployment claims news will be released. So that news will decide whether the price wants to create new all-time highs or it needs to go continue its sell momentum. Okay, traders, so this is the scenario, and I want to explain you a little concept. So whenever people are buying, okay, so they have stop losses here. Okay, so they have stop losses below. So whenever the price hunts these stop losses, so these stop losses become sell orders. Okay, so for the buyers, stop losses are sell orders, and for the sellers, their stop losses are the buy orders. Okay, so the main point is, if the price wants to continue further, okay, so price will create the stop losses, sell stop losses, sell side stop losses. Okay, because the sell stop losses will be work as a buy side, it will help in the buy side direction. Okay, so these stop losses created, again we can create a stop loss here. Okay, so one, two, three stop losses created, it will come liquidate below touching our trend line and boom. Okay, and the rest, as you can see traders, I'll explain you this one example over here. So as you can see traders, price wanted to continue. Okay, so now this is done, that's why I'm explaining you over here. So same can be repeated over here. Okay, so as you can see, price started creating those sell moves from here. Okay, building that liquidity. Okay, building that liquidity for this buy move. Okay, so price first created, build that liquidity, it started building that liquidity, sell, okay, inducing all the sellers, and then all of a sudden it started making its original move, because all these sellers are helping the buyers. Okay, so I already told you, because this seller stop loss is the buy stop loss. So same way here, now price is doing the same. Okay, so as you can see, price is creating those sell orders. Okay, so if the price wants to go further upside, so it will create more sell orders over here today, and all of a sudden it will give us a breakout. Okay traders, so today, tomorrow, very important trading day. Make sure you join our Telegram channel, so there you get all the live updates. Okay traders, so I'll keep you updated. I'll catch you tomorrow. Till then, peace out.